Hi guys, Dr. Sammy here. Thanks for following us. Today we're answering some of our client submitted questions. This particular question has to do with, is there something I can do for mosquitoes for my pets? It's a great question. Couple answers, not great answers, but they're answers. So this time of year we do start seeing a lot of mosquitoes. You can see them everywhere from the East Coast to the West Coast. Here in El Paso we're pretty dry and humid, so less depending on what area of town you're in. But the rest of the country, huge problem for the most part. So is there any topical that I am aware of that you can put on your cats and dogs to keep them safe from mosquitoes? I'm sorry, not that I know of personally. No, I do apologize for that. But it is a great question for how important that is to stay on top of your heartworm prevention, because heartworms are transmitted through mosquitoes. And when you live in areas that are more densely populated with mosquitoes, it is that much more important for you to stay on that year round. Every clinic is different. Every clinic does things a little different. There's HeartGuard, there's some Empirica, there's some other orals. We here at Eastwood have kind of transitioned to injectables. Depending on the patient's age, they will last from 6 months to 12 months, but there are some little requirements based on age and some of those things. So just ask your veterinarian, but that's what we've done and it's worked really well for our clients. And I just don't have a great topical thing. The best thought that I have that's closest to that are the thermoregulators, something like that. Basically, they have a little CO2 tank, like the ones for a paintball gun, the small ones, not the big ones. And there's a little something that gets released. They use it a lot with fishing down on the coast and things like that. And it's a little kind of air thing. They sell them at Academy. I believe I've seen them at Walmart. You can kind of put those in areas where maybe the patient spends a little bit of time, but I'm not too sure if they like went over and smelled it, ate it, just inhaled it like a nebulizer, if that would cause some problems. So maybe just elevate it, keep it in the area, but there are some various new technologies and things that have been out there for a little bit that can kind of discourage mosquitoes for like a 20 square foot area or a little bit bigger. So you might look into that, but I'm not aware of any topical. Sorry. Hope that helps, guys. See you next time.